Hello friends, in this video we are going to explore one of the Excel's most powerful and commonly used function, the sum function. Let's dive in. Sum function is used to add numbers in a range. Let's see how to use the sum function. The basic syntax is sum of range, where range is the group of cells you want to add. Let's say we want to calculate total of these data. For that, I have to select a cell, then type equal to sum, and then select our data range and close the bracket, then just hit the enter. That's it. Now we got total of this data here using sum function. What if there is multiple column and we want to add multiple sum of multiple column? Here we have multiple columns. To sum multiple columns, we can separate the ranges with commas. For example, here I have two columns. I want to sum of these two column values using sum function. If that is the case, just select one cell and equal sum and select our first column and separate the range using comma and select next column, close the bracket and hit the enter. That's it. Now we got this entire data sum. Hope you got how to use sum function. Now let's see another example. Here I have a data set of employee details. From this I want to find total salary using sum function. So uh, I select a cell for that and just type equal sum and select data range. Here our data range is this and close the braces, enter. That's it. Now we got total salary. But what if this company, this employee detail, this company hired couple of new employees and with the salary 20k and 10k. It is not added here because we only selected data range D2 to D11. D11 is here, still here. So to find total salary, it would be better to select this entire column. For that, let me change this function a little bit, equal to sum and select this entire column by just clicking here. We can see D to D and close the braces, just enter. Now we see this newly inserted value is also appended here. See another example. I am adding one more employee with the salary 20k. See, it is appended here. That's it. You now master the sum function in Excel. Practice makes perfect. So go ahead and try it out. Thank you.